Hi, this is Grace. Today we are going to make Chinese dumpling fillings using Napa cabbage and pork. Peel a few leaves about 7 ounces and cut into 2-inch pieces. Then you may use a food processor or chop by a knife. This is the size you want. The cabbage contains a lot of water, so we would add some salt to draw the water out. Add half a teaspoon of salt and let it sit for 20 minutes. In the meantime, we can start to prepare pork. Use store-bought ground pork. It's totally fine. But if you want to chop or grind your own pork, use the part with at least 20% fat, like the shoulder. For half a pound of ground pork, I would add half a teaspoon of salt, chopped ginger and green onion, half a tablespoon sugar, some ground pepper, 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, and half cup of water, divided to add in 3 times. Each time when you add the water, stir the pork in the same direction, so the pork will become well combined and sticky. Usually, I will take a small portion of the mixture and cook it in the microwave for 30 seconds and taste the flavor. You can adjust the seasoning based on the taste. Now, the cabbage is ready. You can see water in the bottom. Since we added water to the pork, we don't want the cabbage to add more water. Squeeze the water out and add the cabbage into a pork mixture. Now mix them together and you are done. It's now ready to be wrapped into dumplings. Happy Chinese New Year!